Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our important videos. Now, I'm not sure if you remember, but a few weeks ago, we did a video about adult CPR and using an AED if we are a sole rescuer, i.e. we're by ourselves. If you don't remember and you want to refresh your memories, click the link below in the description or click the link here and you'll be able to have a look at that video. Because this week we're going to look at using an AED with a child. So that's someone under the age of 18. And we can use a defibrillator with them. Now in this video, we're going to do it as if we're a sole rescuer again. There's nobody else there to help us. So we're still going to do our danger, our response. We're going to open the airways. We're going to look, listen and feel for breathing for 10 seconds. And if they're not breathing, we're going to do 5 rescue breaths, 30 compressions and 2 rescue breaths. And we're going to do that for 1 minute because that first minute is the most important. After a minute, if this casualty hasn't woken up and I'm still by myself, I'm going to leave them to go and make a phone call and to grab the AED that I have available. I will come back and I will turn the AED on.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest.
I'm putting my gloves on, my PPE, and then I'm going to get the scissors and cut their t-shirt off so I've got a naked chest. I will then put the pads on. Now this is a bit that's different. On a child, we place the pads front and back. If you remember, on an adult, we had them on the clavicle, the collarbone, and on the left-hand side of the body. So the shock will go through the heart. We can't put them like that on this child because their frame is too small. And that will mean the shock will go over the heart rather than through it. So we're going to place one on the front of this child, and then we're going to place one on the back, so the shock will go through the heart. When the pads are in place, we're going to plug it in and listen to the instructions.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
So it's looking for a shockable rhythm. So we're making sure we're not touching the casualty as it's doing that.
Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Now as it's charging, we're making sure everyone is standing back. We're getting ready to push that shock button when it flashes. We're then going to push that button when it tells us to. And afterwards, we're then going to carry on with our 30 compressions and 2 rescue breaths. Now, if I had a helper there with me, we do not delay in calling the emergency medical services. If there's a helper there, we know this person is not breathing, this child's not breathing, we send them to go and get an ambulance straight away and come back with that AED.